In this video, we will discuss about Section E, Mental Maths, remaining questions. The next question is, the given chart shows the number of markers on the desks of some students. Which two students have the number of markers that could be shared equally among 3 students? This is the list of 4 students, Sanjay, Harsh, Mohit, Tanuj, and they have this number of markers on their decks. Sanjay has 12 markers, Harsh has 19, Mohit has 13, and Tanuj has 9. Now, as per the question, we have to divide the markers that Sanjay, Harsh, Mohit, and Tanuj have, among 3 students. So if Sanjay divides 12 markers that he has among 3 students, then definitely he has to divide it by 3. If we divide 12 by 3, then definitely the answer would be 4. This means he can distribute 4 markers among the 3 students. So if first 4 for the first student, next 4 for the next, and for the third one again 4 markers. And if we sum up, if we find out the sum of the 3 students markers, so again we will get the answer 12. So we can see here Sanjay has total number of markers 12, and after distributing the markers, 4 markers to each student, the answer is that we are getting is 12. This means Sanjay will be able to distribute the 12 markers among 3 students equally, and none of the marker will be left, a spare marker will be left. So Sanjay is our required student among the 2 students which we have to find out. And next is Harsh. Let us have a look on Harsh number of markers. Harsh has 19, so we will divide, since Harsh will divide the 19 markers among 3 students, so he has to divide it by 3. So if we divide 19 by 3, as a quotient we will get answer 6. So this means first student Harsh will give first 6 markers to first student, then 6 to second, and then 6 to third student. But if we find out the sum of this 6 plus 6 plus 6, it makes 18. This means if Harsh distributes 6 markers to each of the student, then yes, he is able to distribute equal markers. But if we look at the total number of markers that Harsh has, that is 19. This means Harsh has one more marker, so that can be given to one of these students. So this means one of the student will have 7 markers instead of 6. So this means Harsh is not our required answer among the 2 students. And now let us have a look on Mohit. Mohit will divide again these 13 markers among 3 students. So 13 divided by 3 we will get 4. This means Mohit will give first 4 markers to first student, next 4, and then after that the remaining 4 for the last. And but if we find out the sum of the markers that Mohit will give to 3 students, that will make 12. But if we look at the total markers that Mohit has is 13, so this means one marker is still left. This means that one of the student will get 5 markers. So again this Mohit is not our required answer, because Mohit is unable to distribute or share the 13 markers equally among the 3 students. let us have a look on this last student, that is Tanuj. So Tanuj will also divide the 9 markers among 3. Okay, so the answer will be in this case 3. Okay, if we divide 9 by 3, then we will get 3 answer. So we will use here 3. First student will get 3 markers, then 3, and last student will also get 3. And if we add these distribution, okay, yes, 3 each student has got 3 markers. So if we add it, the resultant will be again 9. And if we look at the total markers that Tanuj has is 9, so 9 is equivalent to 9. This means Tanuj will be able to share or distribute the 9 markers among 3 students equally. Okay, this means our required answer is, okay, this means Sanjay and Tanuj is able to distribute the markers among 3 students equally. So our required answer is this one, Sanjay and Tanuj. Harsh and Mohit okay, will not be able to distribute or share equally their markers among the 3 students because one is left. So this means one of the student, either of 3, will have 1 extra marker. So our correct answer is this C1. Now let us discuss next question. Next question is 5th. It says every class that visit Life Science Museum is divided into groups of 4. For each tour guide, which of the following class would not be able to form groups of 4 with none left over? Now this is the key point, that okay, would not be able to form groups and none left over. So same procedure we will follow, okay, which we have followed for the 4th question. We have to divide the number of students by 4, and so that we can get that how many students will be left, okay, that would not be able to form the group, and that would be our correct answer. So let us check it out. So for the first class, having 40 students, so 40 divided by 4. Why we are dividing it by 4? Because we have to make a group of 4 students. So 4, if we divide it by 4, okay, then we will be able to make 10 groups. Okay, and if we want to cross check our answer, then what we can do, we can multiply 10 by 4, 10 groups into 4. In each group there are 4 students, so 10 into 4, that will give us 40. This means none of the student will be left, okay, and we can make 10 groups for having 4 student each. So in this case none of the student will be left. Okay, so next is in second option, in second class there are 52 students, so we have to make a group of 4 students. So the number of groups that we can make, okay, definitely it goes with, okay, 13. So if we divide 52 by 4, we will get 13 answer. So number of groups that will be formed, okay, will be 13. So if we want to check our answer, 13 into 4, definitely we will get the answer 52. Okay, so this means again 13 groups will be formed, where each group will have 4 students and none of the student will be left. Okay, so again this means this is not our required answer. Okay, next is this one. See, in this class there are 36 students, so 36 divided by 4, okay, and it goes with 9. Okay, if we divide 36 by 4, and 9 will be the answer. So 9 groups can be formed. Okay, and if we want to check whether it is correct or not, we can multiply it, 9 multiply by 4, we will get 36, and this means none of the student will be left. Okay, all groups will have 4 students. Okay, and let us check this last one. If we check the last one, the number of students in this class are 46 divided by 4, and it goes with 1 and 1 11. Okay, this means we will be able to form 11 groups. Okay, and if we multiply it by, if we want to check it, 11 into 4, that comes out to, that's come out to 44. So you can see here that total number of students are 46, and 46 will be divided into 11 groups, where each group will have 4 students, but the total will make 44. This means total number of students are 46. In the groups we are able to form only 11 groups, are there, and there are only 44 students in the 11 groups. This means 2 students are left. 2 students are left, or we can say 2 students to complete this group, last group, that is 12th group. We are falling short of 2 students. So this means this is our required answer, that is D. Because we are unable to complete, form the group from this class, which is having 46 students, because this class is falling short of 2 students to form a group. Next is question number 6. It says, in an examination, Raj got more marks than Rohan, but not as many as Meena. Meena got more marks than Ganesh and Rupali. Ganesh got less marks than Rohan, but his marks are not lowest in the group. Who is second in the descending order of the marks? Or in simple words, we have to find out that out of these, Raj, Rohan, Ganesh, Rupali, or Meena, who has scored second highest marks, or who. So let us check it out. So we will go step by step, according to the statement. So first is Raj. Look at this part of the statement. Raj got more marks than Rohan. More means greater. So Raj, we will use here greater than symbol, as you use in mathematics. Raj got greater marks than Rohan, or we can say more marks. Raj marks are greater than Rohan marks. But next it says that, but Raj marks are not as many as Meena. This means Meena has got, this means Meena marks are greater than, Meena has got, she has got more marks than Raj. So rather than using this here, what we can do, we can keep it with, we can keep this one here. We can keep it this one here. So Meena, since Meena has more marks than Raj. Why? Because it is mentioned here, Raj got more marks than Rohan, but not as many as Meena. This means Meena has more marks than Raj. So this is the reason we have written Meena here. And Meena has more marks greater than Raj. Greater marks than Raj. Now let us have a look on remaining statement. So remaining statement says Meena got more marks than Ganesh and Rupali. Meena has more marks than Ganesh and Rupali. Okay, this means Meena marks are greater, and then Ganesh got less marks than Rohan. This means Ganesh marks, okay, Rohan marks are greater. Since Ganesh has got less marks than Rohan, this means Rohan marks are what? Greater. Okay, so greater, Rohan marks are greater than Ganesh. Rohan marks are greater than Ganesh. This means this. Now, but his marks, this means Ganesh marks are not lowest in group. Here we can see, okay, till now we have solved the question, but here we can see Ganesh marks are lowest as per, okay, till the solution. But in the statement it says that Ganesh, this his is for Ganesh marks are not lowest in group. If Ganesh marks is not lowest in group, then who is left? Rupali. So this means Ganesh marks are greater than Rupali. Okay, because other students Ganesh marks are not lowest marks. So only one is left, that is Rupali. So Rupali has what? The lowest marks in the group. Now we have got the solution, since we have got all the students arranged in descending order of their marks as per the statement. So if we look at the order, Meena has highest marks, then second highest marks, that Raj has got second highest marks, Rohan has got third highest marks, okay, and Ganesh is the second last student who has got the highest marks, and Rupali has got the lowest marks in the group. So this means our correct answer will be this Raj. Okay, so C is the correct answer. So let us discuss now next question. It says the below table shows the number of books read by 5 children in a month. This is the table having name of students Raman, Ridhima, Pradeep, Sarthak and Sita. In front of Raman there is a question mark, and this is the list of number of books that these students read, okay, during a month. Ridhima reads 15 books, Pradeep 16, Sarthak 15 and Sita 26. Now we have to find out that how many books Raman reads. To solve this question, okay, there is one hint that is given in the question, that is this one. If Raman reads 5 books less than 1/4 of total number of books read by other 4 children, then how many books Raman read in a month? We have to find out that how many books, okay, Raman read in a month. Okay, how many books? So how many books he did? Okay, so we will solve the questions, start solving the question from this statement. Now what it says, Raman reads 5 books less, okay, then 1/4 of the total number of books read by other 4. So we have to find out the total of other 4 students, since it is asked in the question total number of books read by other 4. So we have to total this. So total will be what? 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 16, that gives us that makes 46, 46 plus 26, okay, so 46 plus 6, 52 and 52 plus 20, 72. So that makes 72. So total is 72. This means that these 4 students, Ridhima, Pradeep, Sarthak and Sita, read 72 books in a month. Okay, they read how many books? 72. The 4 children's total number of books. Total number of books read by other 4 children's are 72. And Raman reads 5 books less than 1/4 of total number. So this is, okay, this 72 is what? 72 is total number of books read by other 4 students, or we can say other 4 children as per the question, other 4 children. So these are the other 4 children: Ridhima, Pradeep, Sarthak and Sita. So we have added their number of books and the total is 72, and it is asked 1/4 of total number. 1/4 of total means we have to divide this total number by 4. Okay, 1/4 of 72 will be 72 divided by 4, that is 1/4. So if we divide it, if we divide 72, that is the total number of book read by 4 other children, by 4, we will get the answer here 18. So 18 is the 1/4. This 18 is what? The 1/4 of 72. So that is the that is asked in the question, that 1/4 of total number of books read by other 4 children is what? 18. But Raman reads 5 book less. 5 book less of what? This 1/4. 5 book less from this value. So 5 book less means we have to subtract how many from 18? 5. So 18 minus 5. So 18 minus 5 will definitely give us the number 13. So this means our correct answer will be this 13. So this covers up the explanation of section E mental maths question.